Alright, what if I tell you that the knowledge you have in trading is enough to make you successful? Most traders have this problem. They always seek a new knowledge. They never stick in one system. They try to change and change and change the trading system, thinking that the problem is their system. What I want to tell you is the problem is the psychology. Just believe in what you have and know that it's enough. And that what you have, it can make a lot of money and make you successful. So stick on what you have, gain knowledge on it, gain mastery on it, and after that, go on markets. You'll make it. And whenever you make a loss, it's not a worry for you to say that the system doesn't work. Doesn't mean it's a guaranteed that, because I made a loss with this system, I have to get out of this loss. So never use a loss as a getaway out of your trading system. Stick on your system until results are seen. Stay blessed, signing out.